center off. And the lead is taken by Master Babu by the rail, lever action on the outside, Sharp Cookie, and so Gorgios on the further outside, Tirad Pass, and moving up on the inside is Kay Aquino, while Bruno is bringing up the rear. And nearing the far turn, it's lever action in the lead, followed by Master Babu by the rail in second, and Tirad Pass now running in third, Sharp Cookie, so Gorgios moving up on the farther outside. And at the far turn, it's lever action, followed by Tirad Pass on the outside, and here comes so Gorgios moving up on the farther outside, and Master Babu. And at the last bend for home, it's Tirad Pass on the outside, so Gorgios on the farther outside, and by the rail is lever action, and Kay Aquino closing in fourth, Master Babu. At the top of the stretch, so Gorgios on the outside, Tirad Pass in between horses, and lever action, and Kay Aquino moving up on the farther outside, but it's now so Gorgios on the outside, lever action, and at the payoff line, it's so Gorgios, lever action, Tirad Pass, Kay Aquino.
Sabi nga nung nagsasabong, may nako